Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to understand how to create dashboards in Tableau. So for this, we will go in the environment of Tableau. Now to create the dashboards, it is necessary that we create at least two or three charts in this sheet. So we'll activate the sheet number one, and in that we will create the chart. Let us pick up profit from here and drop it into the columns. Now I'll pick up the subcategory from here and drop it into the rows. Make this as the entire view. Now let us pick up the segment from here and drop it into the colors. We'll give some name to this sheet. Name is that this profit is profit according to subcategory and segment. Control A, bring it in center. If you want, you can change the color from here. Make it bold, increase the size, 18, and apply. Click OK. Now create the another sheet and press it here, new worksheet. This time, let us work on sales. So I'll pick up the sales from here and shipping mode in the rows. Make an entire view, flip, make it vertical. And in this, let us drop the region in the color. Now we will give the name to this. Name is sales according to shipping mode and region. Control A, bring it in center. You can change the color from here, make it blue, increase the size, 16, bold, apply, click OK. Now you will have to go in this dashboards, click on new dashboards. You can see sheet 1 and sheet 2 is already generated. Now drag it and drop it here, right? Drag it and drop it here. Right click. You can remove this title from here, or you can include the title from by clicking here, right? If you want the title or not. Now you activate the floating from here, and you will be in the position to decrease the size of this. Now if I want to remove this, I'll click on it and remove from dashboard. Fine. Again, I click here and make this floating. Depending upon my requirement, I can change the sizes. So you can see here. Now this is sheet 1. Now I'll pick up the sheet 2 and I'll drop it here. Again, I'll have to make this floating so that I can make the necessary changes on it. Let me pick up from here and drag it and drop it. So two charts are there. Here there is an overlapping which is being done. I can click here and remove from the dashboard. One and second chart has been added. Now if I want to insert the image, I'll click on image. I'll drag the image inside and drop it here. It will ask me the image file. So I'll choose the image file. So I can take my photographs from here without the background, open with the image, click OK. Now I'll have to click on the image right. After clicking on the image, I'll make it floating. This will serve my purpose. From here, I'll drag it and adjust the settings. Make sure that whatever changes which you want to do, you can do it only by making the chart or the image floating. You have to activate the floating button. Now I want to insert the URL. Is it possible? So yes, I guess it's quite likely possible. I can drag it and drop it the web page which I want to be generated here. So I'll copy my YouTube URL. This URL is how to install R. I'll click OK, and the entire YouTube page will get active. No need to worry. Again, click on these two lines. Right click, make it floating. Now, with the help of this, drag it, increase the size. So basically, this is a video of YouTube, my video on installation of R and R Studio. Now, is it possible to change the canvas size or not? Yes, quite likely possible. Click here. From here, you can change, you can make it full screen, or you can make it desktop browser, whatever you want. You can make it generic desktop. That's also possible. Moreover, you can also make this phone view if you want, or keep it default. So if you want to design your dashboards according to the phone view, you can activate the phone view from here. Moreover, the customized setting can also be done by changing the width and height of this canvas. That is also possible. You can see here that if I decrease the width or increase the width or decrease the height or increase the height, both these things are possible. There is one more setting available. That is an automatic setting. You can go here and fix size and make it automatic, and the changes will be done automatically. Now, in case if I want to filter the data, for example, I'll activate this and right click, or possibly you select this from here and activate the filter from here. This one, use as filter. Immediately, the same thing will be reflected in the another graph also. So press Ctrl Z to make the original settings. Okay, now I want the border. So for this, I'll go in the layout. I'll activate the particular chart, and in this background, I'll select the background which I want. So let us keep the background light blue, or possibly we can keep it dark black color. Fine. Do I require the borders? Yes, I require the borders, and I'll keep the green borders. Now select the another chart. From here, again select the border, the title, and another color border can be used. Sorry, this one, and the border can be selected from here. This time I'll select blue border. So that is also quite likely possible. Now let us see what other options are available with us. I'll activate my image, and you can change the padding from here. See what padding will be do. Padding will do. I increase the padding from here. See the changes which are happening. Okay. See the changes which are happening, right? So it will shrink the image. That is first thing. That is outer padding. Let us activate the inner padding. Is it possible to activate the inner padding? Again, I'll highlight it, and let us change the settings from here. So inner padding. Okay, outer and inner padding. So this, if you want to make the changes outside the image, then outer padding, and inside the image, then inner padding. You can use it. Now, let us make the borders. Okay. Let us make the dotted border and make it green one. Okay. And is anything else possible? Background. I don't think background will be activated anyway. Let us activate the background here. Background is possible. Fine. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let us see how it looks. So for this, you will have to go in the presentation mode. It looks quite nice. So this is a way you can make the dashboards in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, you can subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the like button.